Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to pair Polestar 2 with an iPhone. Let's get right into it. 1. To pair an iPhone with the car, first activate Bluetooth on the phone. 2. On the center display, tap the Connect your phone tile, then the Pair New Device button at the bottom of the screen. The screen should now list your phone as an available device. 3. Tap to select your phone, then tap the Pair button to confirm that the pairing codes match. 4. You'll also need to tap Pair on your phone, then tap to allow access to your phone's contacts and favorites. 5. Confirm access to these services on the center display. 6. The center display will now prompt you to enable messages and notifications on your phone in order to allow messages. On your phone, tap Polestar under My Devices, then switch on Show Notifications. 7. On the center display, tap Try Again, and then allow to complete the pairing process. You can now make calls, send and receive text messages, play media directly through the vehicle's speakers and more. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.